Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Liquid Exchange easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by downloading the Liquid Exchange software from the official website. Locate the downloaded file in your Downloads folder. Double-click the file to start the installation process. Follow the on-screen prompts to proceed with the installation. Choose the installation directory or use the default setting. Click the Install button to begin the installation. Wait for the installation process to complete. Once completed, a confirmation window will appear. Click the Finish button to close the installer. Now, locate the Liquid Exchange icon on your desktop. Double-click the icon to launch the application. When prompted, create a new account or log in to your existing account. To create a new account, enter your email address and set a secure password. Complete any additional verification steps as required. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the user interface. Navigate to the Settings menu to adjust your preferences. Make sure to configure security settings to enhance your account safety. After configuration, return to the main dashboard. Explore the available features and options within Liquid Exchange. Check for any necessary updates to ensure you have the latest version. Begin trading or using the platform as desired. Congratulations, you have successfully installed Liquid Exchange. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.